have a confession. I have a major problem. My room is messy as fuck. You see, I only have one room. This is my studio and my room as well. So all the camera gears, all the stuff that I use for not only shooting, but my hobby as well goes into this room. And there's clearly not enough room for a one person with a ton of different type of hobbies. So what I'm about to do is that you see this right here? So you see this little corner type stuff going on right here? I'm gonna put a rack so I can store like all these stuff right here, so it will look at least a little bit more like a person's room that's like doing a great job managing his life or her life. Also, don't mind about these pants right here. Some pants or some clothing, I like to dry it in the room so it will not shrink. But yeah, let's go buy a rack. And we went to Nitori, which is like Japanese IKEA, and I couldn't find any racks. There's no racks, so we finally head to IKEA. Gotta get my rack. Once you're in IKEA, you have to do car parking lot fit check at IKEA. So, entry number Tamaki-san. Entry number Tamaki-san. Kawaii.
The summer vibes going on, like Hawaii, kawaii, I don't know, but summer vibes.
Fire this.
Love your caps. Capital.
Shout out to all the Snow Peak fans out there. But nothing beats crispy Japanese style iced coffee in this grueling, humid, 32 degrees Celsius, hot June in Japan. I finished the rack. I finished my steel rack. It took me around roughly 30 to 40 minutes. It wasn't that hard at all. Before I talk about why I choose this rack, let me show you the rack first. This is the finished product. I think it looks pretty good. This is like, you know, it goes along with my room. I think it looks pretty simple, nothing too crazy about it, and it fit everything that I wanted to fit into this thing. I've chosen the Omaru from IKEA. This entire set was less than 65 bucks, which is not bad at all. And as you can tell, this thing is pretty tall too. I'm 6 foot, 182 centimeters, and this is 181 too, I don't know. Briefly, let me just talk about why I've chosen this one and not the other, let's say like Japanese brands such as Muji, Nitori, or Journal Standard Home. They have amazing racks too. Originally, I wanted to go with Delton. I'm a big fan of Delton. I consider myself as a Delton boy. And initially, I wanted to go with steel rack from Delton, but they did not have like this silver stainless steel look that I wanted to go, so I couldn't bind those. And although Muji one and Nitori ones are amazing as well, but the frame was very thin. And for the price, I only got to live in this apartment temporary, so I didn't want to spend 3 times or 4 times of what this rack costs. I'll eventually talk about my room setup and my desk setup in my future videos, but let me know what you guys think. I think it looks pretty cool. Okay, it's the next day. My room feels so much nicer and more spacious because, you know, I clean majority of the stuff in this room and it feels amazing, which makes my mental space all cleared up and very productive as well. But today I'm editing a ton of videos for my short form content, which is IG, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. And I think a lot of you guys know me from short form as well, but actually my digital footprint started on YouTube, so my heart will always be in the long form. But yeah, I think you guys may also think that, Peace, why you're always wearing a hat or bandana while you're editing? Well, first, my hair is getting pretty long, so I need to cut my hair. And second, I know this is kind of a weird thing, but when I wear a pair of headphones, it feels better when I'm wearing a hat or bandana. It feels more like structure around my ears, so I can focus more, and I'm a type of person who needs to be everything ergonomically correct or standing while I'm editing to keep myself productive. That's the reason why. Also, the bandana looks pretty fire. It's from sombs, the best Japanese outdoor brand. Scratch that, the best Japanese brand ever. And the bandana looking super spicy, so I mess with the look as well. I'm a type of person who needs to dress when I'm working at home as well, so I feel more like... So yeah, today I'm just gonna stay hyper focused and finish all the edits I need to finish for this week for short form content. But towards the end of this vlog, I'm gonna build something that's gonna not only add character in my room, but it looks pretty cool as well. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys later. Just in case if you guys want to know what kind of scent I use when I want to get into focus, this one is called Shirakawa from a brand called Shoedo. Shoedo is a company based in Kyoto that is 170 years old. They specialize in creating incense. I don't know how to explain what it smells like, but it's basically this like very sweet woody smell. And this is me and my girlfriend's favorite incense. So if you're in Japan, you don't really have to be in Kyoto to buy this. This brand is very famous, so they usually have it everywhere in Japan. But if you guys find this Shirakawa, I highly recommend. It smells super good. Hey. All right guys, I just changed because, you know, I want to switch the vibes. But so this is what I'm about to build to add character to my room, but this is a Lego set from Pharrell Williams. This is a collaboration between him and Lego from his Lego movie called Piece by Piece. Ever since that movie came out and ever since I watched it, I always wanted this Lego set and I bought it off of Amazon. So yeah, let's build it. I'm very excited. Oh. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button, and if you guys like this type of like style of my videos, please hit the subscribe button. As you guys can see, the rack is extremely beautiful, but I hope you guys will have an amazing day. My name is Peace Gates, and you guys already know. Peace out, guys. Okay guys, welcome back to some bonus section of this video. Sorry, the natural light is getting a bit crazy, so I have to adjust the ND here and there, but okay, it's getting dark now. So if you guys watch it to the end, thank you so much. Some BS is a bonus section in my video to answer your guys' question. Anyone who commented #somebs, I will of course answer those questions. And today we have a question from Cheswick Gibby. #somebs, could you talk a little bit more about the editing process, specifically how long it may take and some time-saving tips? So for the editing process itself, I usually give myself 2 to maximum 3 days to edit one long form videos. In terms of short form, it only takes me around a day to edit. Per day, I might edit for like 6 to 7 hours maximum. I have a timer in my desktop app, so I just like run the timer, and within that hour, I will focus 100% of my time in editing, and I'll do like 6 reps of those editing sessions. The easiest and the fastest way to edit fast is to learn how to use keyboard shortcuts. I feel like that is like a general answer of how to edit fast, like learn how to use keyboard shortcuts and whatnot. So I'm gonna give you like additional stuff. I use MX Mouse 3 from Logic. This mouse, or any mouse with like customizable like a button on a mouse. This thing saved so much time for me to edit. I think I saved like 2 lifetimes just by editing on this thing. And I also use Final Cut, so that's like a magnetic timeline as well. That's the reason I'm using Final Cut for editing. It's just really fast for social content, so I highly recommend it. But the MX Mouse 3, crazy. So yeah, that will be my answer for this week. And also I want to talk about additional thing is that about a new bag. I might make a video about this, but you guys know me that I have a BAS, the bag acquisition syndrome. This is literally my dream bag. This is a Porter Tanker, and especially the large size helmet bag 2-ways. It's my ultimate dream bag ever. This is gonna be my everyday bag, my working bag, my camera bag for sometimes. This is gonna be everything. I bought it secondhand, so there's like a lot of scratches, a lot of parts that's like falling apart, but I also got it for like 40% off. So I'm not complaining. I think I'm gonna use this until this thing is like not usable anymore. Then I'll probably buy a brand new one. But yeah, I might talk about this later. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful, amazing, special day. My name is Peace Gates, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, guys.